This is Jared with the Tech Educator 101 channel. So continuing on with Salix and slapt-get, there's another tool that's part of it called slapt-src. And what it does is also really interesting. It allows you to take the Slack builds and install them kind of native like a package manager. It's doing a lot of the stuff in the background, so it takes a little bit of the work out of it. So if you come in here, look at the help for the command, you can see you can install and update and upgrade the Slack builds. I'm going to update the source, and then I'm going to do a search for the Vivaldi web browser. And you can see there is the Slack build for the Vivaldi web browser. And so let's go ahead and you can fetch, build, and install. The install does all of it. So let's go ahead and do that and let's see what it does. You want to continue? Yes. So yeah, let's go out and getting the deb package. It's downloaded the Slack build. So it actually makes installing it makes installing from the Slack builds really easy. Command not found. So did it fail? Links command not found. Does links need to be installed? It's looking like it's working this time. So I'm not sure if that's easier or just different. I still had to, looks like, install kind of a dependency on my own. So it is an interesting program. It does help you kind of install things from the Slack build without downloading them manually. Let's go ahead and see what this does. All right, I ran that without sudo. Package upgrade failed. Okay. Oops, I want to do this. Yes. It's a little bit of a learning curve here. There we go. Looks like it's installing this time. And on truth, there we go. So I don't think this program slapt-src is easier or more difficult than probably just doing it manually from the Slack builds. The one benefit I can see to this would be scripting, where you'd be able to install a bunch of packages really quickly. Well, with air quotes there. You'd be able to install packages without downloading a bunch of stuff. You'd be able to just script it. Or if you were doing a lab or kind of a bunch of desktops or more likely servers, you'd be able to kind of script some of the stuff that you were downloading and installing. That would make it a little easier that way. But other than that, it's kind of an interesting tool. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. And if you want to see more of my content, please click subscribe. Have a great day.